What's going on, y'all? We're gonna put some fog lights in this Ford Focus. This is for the 2005 to 2007 Focuses, and we went to the junkyard and got all the parts we need. We got the light switch, the 2 fog lights, and the 2 bezels. Had the bulbs already in the fog lights. We kept those in there, and then I got these pigtails, these connectors, in case the cars aren't wired or not. We'll see that in a minute. But we got to take off this splash guard, skid plate, whatever you want to call it. We got all these bolts on the outside. They're all 7mm. So we're gonna have to remove all those so we can get this piece off. And there's 4 of these Phillips head screws you got to remove also. In the wheel well, we have 2 more bolts we have to remove. There's one in there, and then this outer one is a Torx bit, so it's you'll need a T30. And once that's off, we're up underneath, and they're already wired for fog lights, so that's going to save us a big headache. We just got to remove these covers, and it's just 2 bolts there. After moving those, just pull out those old bezels, and look at that, ready to plug right in. So bolt up the fog lights, and now we go on the inside and work on this headlight switch. We gotta swap this thing out so we have the fog light option. We're having to take off this lower panel down here. It's 4 bolts. There's 2 up here, and then there's 2 down below. They're all 8mm. Now once you get that panel off, there's another bolt here we got to take out. It's a 7mm. Let's focus up here. There it is, 7. So after that, you can get behind there, and there's 3 Phillips head screws that we're gonna take off, and then just unplug it. Unplug the headlight switch, and you're just gonna plug the new one in and put everything in reverse order. Now it's time to see if that's all worked or not. Is that how you say it? Worked? It's all worked? Anyways. Alright, we got dash lights, so that's good. And we have the headlights working. Yep. Now it's time to see. Alright, we got the fog light on, and they look like they're on. So yeah, I got all the pieces for about 30 bucks at the junkyard, so not bad. Definitely recommend. It's an easy job to do, and add a little bit of light. Add a little bit more light. I changed out the bulbs, and I put some yellow LED bulbs from Amazon up in there. I wanted to get that yellow look, you know. And turned out real good.